Anaya and I came to the farm. We will show you domestic animals. This is a cow. She do moo-moo. Look, this is a fluffy sheep. She do ba-ba. A dog. Good doggy. Guggy. He say woof, woof. Look, this is a doggy. Doggy jump, jump.
He say woof, woof.
This is a goat. Goat jump, jump. Goat say mama. This is a horse. Big horse. He say neigh, neigh. Look, this is a chicken. Chicken gives eggs. She say cluck, cluck. We hope you learned domestic animals with us. See you tomorrow. Bye.